और हिंदी की ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेशन था कि मैंने हिंदी कैसे सही
Yeah, I was
बोली
listening to
है।
my dub a lot, and I was like, oh God, that's how.
जी
जबरदस्त किक मिलने वाली है सलमान क्या
अब देंगे, मिलेगी, पड़ेगी, वो तो कल ही पता चलेगा। अब देखो
कुछ अपने सलमान ने देखो लिखी के लिए
इस फिल्म के हर
फिल्म के खास
देखो यार हम हर एक फिल्म के लिए तो अच्छा ही सोचेगा एक आदमी की इस इंडस्ट्री की सबसे बड़ी हिट हो। तो सपने तो यही देखें कि हर फिल्म हमारी हो या किसी और की हो वो हिट ही हो, नुकसान किसी का ना हो। स्पेशली जो फैंस जो पैसे देख के जो थिएटर के बाहर निकलते हैं उनका तो बिल्कुल ही ना हो, उनके पैसे वसूल होने चाहिए। ये बाकी का जैकलीन बोलेंगे।
लेकिन ये फिल्म सलमान अपने अलावा मेरे ख्याल से साजिद के लिए भी बहुत खास है कि आपने उनको इंस्पायर किया इस फिल्म को डायरेक्ट करने के लिए, तो शायद इनके लिए भी
जी हाँ, बहुत खास है उनके लिए तो बहुत ही खास है क्योंकि जब इसके अगर खुदा न खास्ता ये पिक्चर नहीं चली उनकी तो वो दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स को कैसे बोलेंगे कि भाई ये मत करो। उनके लिए तो चलना ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि वो बोले कि यार ये मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, ये सीन निकाल दो उस फिल्म का या एक ऐसा सीन शूट कर लो, क्योंकि है प्रोड्यूसर और वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड प्रोड्यूसर हैं, हैंड्स ऑन प्रोड्यूसर हैं। वो एडिट पे बैठते हैं, स्टोरी पे बैठते हैं, स्क्रीन पे बैठते हैं, म्यूज़िक पे बैठते हैं। तो उन्होंने दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ अपना हाथ साफ कर लिया है। अब जाके उन्होंने किक बनाई हमारे साथ, तो एक बहुत ही मंजे हुए डायरेक्टर ने बनाई है किक। यूजुअली डायरेक्टर्स एक ही डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करते हैं, वो जो कि वो खुद होते हैं। ये ऐसा प्रोड्यूसर, ऐसा डायरेक्टर है जिसने करीबन 13-14 डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया है, तो उन सबसे सीखा है कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट सवाल टू जैकलीन।
आपके लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण फिल्म है, कहीं ना कहीं अगर कहना गलत होगा आपका करियर भी इससे डिसाइड होगा। आपके करियर की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म है।
यस बिल्कुल, ये मेरी करियर में सबसे बड़ी फिल्म है और
क्या हुआ?
ओके
जी आपकी फिल्म
ओके
बड़ी फिल्म है आपकी, कितनी नर्वस हैं आप इसको लेकर के? आज रिलीज हुई आपकी फिल्म।
very nervous. I don't know, I'm nervous and excited at the same time. I mean, you've seen the film, you can say that, right?
हाँ आज रिलीज हुई।
We've actually seen it. Also, I've dubbed for the film, so I've seen my stuff, and I don't know. I think
You've seen the film, you don't like it?
I love it. I really loved it. But of course, like I think maybe I'm partial or biased.
Were you looking at किसी और को देख रही थी फिल्म के अंदर या सिर्फ अपने आप को देख रही थी?
अपने आप को
बस
बस और कुछ नहीं।
और हिंदी की ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेशन था कि मैंने हिंदी कैसे सही
Yeah, I was
बोली
listening to
है।
my dub a lot, and I was like, oh God, that's so weird. But because I watched just myself yesterday, that's why I want to go again today and watch it.
Watch yourself again.
Yeah, actually.
And you even appreciated the Devil song, Yana Mile.
Yes, I did.
Nargis's performance. So you've even set an example because we've seen cat fights between actresses. So this is the first time that one actress is probably appreciating another actress.
I always appreciate other actresses' work
That's
because
a plus point.
Because I want them to appreciate my work.
No, but you know, honestly, the reason why I feel, well, that would be nice, but they don't. No, but honestly speaking,
I hate them.
no, you know,
Lied.
shut up.
It takes a lot.
Never mind. Can we just someone ask him a question because he's like talking a lot, so I'm not gonna try and answer this.
No, answer.
So,
Truthfully.
no, basically the reason also why I like to encourage or support is because I feel that we've all started off the same way, and I understand like everyone goes through the same struggles, everyone goes through their highs and their lows, and you know, as an actress myself, I've gone through those, and I just think it's important, you know, to kind of be there for one another, and you know, so that people know that listen, you know, there are people there who understand and want to see you do well and want the best for you, just as obviously we would like that in return, you know, that goodwill in return from you. So I think it's important.
Don't the both of you all feel that, you know, his character Devil is kind of an understatement? After looking at the stunts that he's performed, he could actually be called the Daredevil.
Daredevil.
Wow, yeah, wow,
Abhishek,
yeah.
you're so cool. He's,
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Don't you
Right.
also feel that, like, instead of there being like a Spider-Man or a Superman, there should be a Salman?
I was just about to say.
You also know about this, huh? Oh, am I like, I'm so like out of it. I'm like too, right? I need to get with the program.
But Salman, have you taught any Hindi to Jacqueline, considering she said that she's dubbed for the film? I think it's a
No, I just told her to dub. I mean, she speaks Hindi to her staff, Ram and all these people, and the rest
I
of
just
them
gave
all
a full
speak.
Hindi
Yeah.
interview also.
Yeah, so when it's like me speaking Marathi. When I speak to family and friends, I speak Marathi fluently. As soon as somebody, a Maharashtrian speaking guy comes in, I don't know that person, then I,
Yeah.
and then the guy who speaks it fluently just goes. So I can understand her predicament. Also, what was I saying?
Actually, no, but
What was I saying? What was
what
the
Hindi
topic?
sikhaya mujhe?
Ah,
What
no,
Hindi
so I just
sikhaya?
told her to dub the film. Because you know you said the dialogues, you rehearsed the dialogues, and then after that you dub the film. So till the time, you know, your pronunciation is not correct, they will not okay the take. Out here, as soon as your dialogue is correct, your feel is correct, they will okay the take with the that's fine. You know.
And that was the best thing about dubbing, was
Yeah.
that it was like my diction